you enjoyed the program, everybody? You're watching Star Wars!
Servo, be careful with my model!
Servo, you are not being a good roommate. Okay, I missed you too. Look at us, having a good time. We don't need to go to some silly party. Servo,
No, we don't need your help!
I'm gonna sell you for stuff when we get home! Servo! You're okay, buddy. Good thing Gonk droids are basically indestructible.
Move those stubby legs!
Dev? Come on, Servo. Servo, do not cuddle the Mon Calamari.
Don't blow a circuit, short stuff.
Servo! You dramatic droid, you're okay.
It's time to upgrade your battery, droid.
Servo's great the way he is, thank you. They don't make them like they used to.
Actually, I reckon you gave me the capacity for speech.
Servo, you can talk?
You upgraded my linguistic abilities. Yay! Thanks, Sig. You're a legend, mate.
No problem, Servo.
Hey, Yesy, guess what? Look at me.
Not exactly what I had in mind.
Hey, it's not very nice. Hey, does anyone need a charge, by the way?
Not now, Servo! We need to get out of here!
Sorry, you're right, wrong timing. What about now?
There goes the hyperdrive!
We have to get out of here.
Did someone say they needed a charge? I think I heard that. Oh, yes, that's very wise. Yes, that's wise.
Here. Servo!
Oh, really? I guess in this galaxy you can have more than 2 Sith at a time. That's cool and terrifying. Maybe they just want to be friends. Whoa, what a beautiful ship. I mean, I know it's evil, but, like, you gotta admire the colors on that. It's really nice. He does not sound optimistic. Oh, well, you're in for a big surprise, Mr. Skywalker, sir.
You relax, Yesy. Have some warm blue milk.
Look, Yesy, I'm being useful. Wow. Princess Leia and Han Solo seem exactly the same as they were in our galaxy. Oh, never mind. No, I take back what I said.
Let's go!
Wow, that is a lot of ships, and big ones, too. Much bigger than this tiny little ship.
Thanks for the report, Boxy.
I'm okay. Oh, yeah. No, I'm actually better. Everything is riding on what we do next. How exciting. Sig, I think my battery just ran out.
A few moments later.
Someone needs a charge.
I don't believe it. I'm reactivated. Yay, I exist. Goody.
Servo!
Oh, life's so good. We're going on another grand adventure. Hooray, I love those. Let's go.